Testing, testing. Okay, sweet. Hello, welcome to the stream, guys. How's everyone doing? Waiting for a few more people to come on in. Can I get a mic check, anyone who's watching at the moment? Just to confirm that my microphone and sound is working. Hey baby, how are you? Is my microphone working okay? Gimme is in the living room right now, I think. Oh gosh, my camera's shaking. It's pretty good. Alright, sweet. It works. Okay, sweet. I'm gonna wait for a couple more people to join, and then I guess I'll get started with my plan for this stream. Alright, can I get a couple more viewers? Come on, I know some more people. Alright, we got one more in here. Sweet, so we got 3 now. Perfect. Oh yeah, check out what I bought. I bought a jet engine lighter. Has an afterburner on it. Probably one of my favorite toys in my room now. I used to light candles, but sometimes I just play with it because it's pretty cool. I think it costed me like $5. Alright, we have enough people. Screw it. Let's go ahead and talk about my plan. So, as you guys know, I am learning C++ and torturing myself with it. When did you get that? I got it a few nights ago at Casey's General Store. It's a gas station local to where I'm at, for any of you guys who may not live in America. But basically, my plan for this stream is to solve leak code style problems in C++ at a beginner level. So I'm going to go through each of these, and hopefully I will be able to solve those problems and get a better understanding of how C++ works, because it's the first time I've really programmed in low level, except for Verilog, unfortunately, if you consider it low level programming. But anyways, alright. First one I'm actually going to do is reverse list. So I'm going to create a new C++ file, reversed list.cpp. And I will include IOStream. Stream, and I will also include vector, because that's what I'm going to use for the list. Then int main. And then vector of type integer, reverse, and then vector int v. We'll target v as our vector. Okay, so now we suddenly have a problem. Okay. I know why. It's because I didn't put standard library there. So I just need to do the same thing there. Okay, there we go. Kara loves Verilog. No, I do not. I hate it with a passion. I do not like FPGA coding. But honestly, I probably should like it because it is fun, but it's pretty tedious sometimes. Alright, sweet. We got 5 people watching. Nice. Okay, so what do I want to do here? So we want to reverse this list, or vector as it's called in C++, or how many coding I'm assuming you mean coding languages. So I know Python, C#, I know a decent amount of PHP at this point. I know an okay amount of JavaScript. That's pretty much it, unless you consider CSS and HTML programming languages, but I don't really call those that, so I'm not going to mention them. But that's pretty much it. Oh, I did start learning Java recently, but I kind of took a pause at it because I feel like C++ is a little bit more, I guess, demanded in the workplace, and that's kind of why I'm wanting to learn it. Hello, Zenzents. Welcome to the stream. Anyway, so what do I want to do? Okay, so I want to reverse it, so I feel like what I should do is iterate backwards. So, for int I is equal to v dot size. Yep. And then I is going to be greater than 0, and then I minus minus. And what I'll do is I'm actually going to define an empty vector up here. So reversed v, that's what I'll call it. And then reversed v dot push back. Whoops. V at index I. And that should be it. Then I can just return reversed v. And now, under here, I should be able to create an original vector, 1 through 5, why not? And then, for int I is equal to 0, I++, and then, std cout reverse vector I. Okay. Let's run this code. And, okay, that's not right. What is this? We had the right idea. But what is this last number? That doesn't make any sense. You should typically use a struct to solve this problem, not a STL function. That's a memory address. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Use a struct. Actually, I forgot. I do need to take a look at structs in this and learn how to use those. So, wait. Maybe that's what I need to do. Nope, that didn't fix it. Do that. Also, you'll need a next pointer. If I knew what a next pointer was, unless I did something like this. No, that's not gonna work. Oi, chat. Hello, Hoist. Welcome to the stream. Alright, next pointer. That's a good question. I don't know what the next pointer is. Next pointer in C++. Can you make a window yet? I'm trying now, and it's being stupid and not finding my SDL. I'm not at all that good at C++ to make GUIs, so yeah, I won't be able to help you out with that. Oh, okay, okay. So is it the same ampersand sign? Is that what it is? And I could do this quickly in Python. I could do it in my sleep in Python, actually. Original vector. Oh, wait a minute. That's not right. I was using original. Oh, okay. So, all right, we're getting closer. So actually what I do need to do is maybe set that to equal. Hey, we did it. Okay. So my problem was I was using original vector.size here instead of reversed vector, and that was probably a fault of tab 9 because I autofill a lot. Another problem was I was using the I greater than 0 instead of greater than equal to 0, so that's how I fixed it. So this is solved. Sweet. Why not add more numbers to it and see if it can work then? Alright, we're gaming. We did it. Let's go. Perfection. Alright, I'll definitely take a look at doing this with a struct next time once I learn how to make a struct, basically. Am I lagging or is the screen black? You might be lagging. But you might be lagging because everyone else can see as far as I know. Now make a search array. We'll tackle that later. You do Java? I learned a little bit of Java. I know like a tiny bit. You are lagging. Okay. It's weird. It says I have excellent connection. Oh, it's fine now. Okay. Alright. Oh, it might just be buffering every now and then. Alright, what was the next one? What was this? What was this other one? To sum, easy, okay. So, to sum dot cpp. Include IOStream. Include. You'll use vectors again, just because I don't know how to use a struct. Okay, int main turn 0. You can use simple arrays for this. You know, let's try that actually. Now, how do I make an array? I think it's int asterisk, right? Yeah, I think it's int asterisk. And then to sum. And basically I will go ahead and add int array. Okay, we're getting closer. Int array, and then int target. Okay, now for int I is equal to 0. And then I plus plus, and wait a minute. Yeah, there's no size for that, so actually let's go back to W3 schools real quick. C++, let's see, arrays. What is better for building a Discord bot, JS or Python? Uh, I don't know. It really depends on what you're good with. I hear JS is just as good as Python, but um, I don't know. I would assume it's probably just as good as each other. I haven't really programmed a Discord bot in JavaScript yet, so I wouldn't know off the top of my head. Size equals size of array. Okay. So size of array. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. Like this, basically. Or I can do it like that. Oh, never mind. Give me 1 second, guys. I gotta take a phone call. All right, guys. I just had to open the door for someone, but I got myself some McDonald's sweet tea, so I guess we're gonna be engorging ourselves with some good old McDaniel's sweet tea. Or McDaniel's. I haven't heard someone call it that in a while, but got some McDonald's sweet tea, so gonna use that or drink that while I learn C Premium. All right. What the heck is this? Oh, wait a minute. Need to put in the... Do I not have to do the memory address to this? Or is that only for, Vectors. It's probably only for vectors. I guess we'll find out. Okay, so if array I plus array I plus 1 is equal to target, then return wait a minute. Kind of like that. Oh my gosh, it means with the $2 donation. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. What's the problem with this? Okay. Right here? Oh, okay. I see what you mean. Was it you or someone else that had slash has a MacBook Pro? I don't have a MacBook, so 99% chance it's probably somebody else that has that. Okay. Okay, yeah, I got it. So now what I should be able to do is... Wait, we need another array. Okay, so... Array... No, hold on. Indices is equal to... Okay. An empty initializer is invalid for an array with an unspecified bound. Static int indices like this. Static since you want to return it. But still, static int indices. I still get that. I still get the issue though. That's the thing. How much more cash flow do you need? Dude, I'm good. Thank you so much for that donation. Oh, okay, okay. That makes it. Oh, that's right. I have to like predefine how many. It's the same thing in C sharp. I keep forgetting that. Okay. So now what I could do is indices. Actually, is there a it's equal to I return indices. Or actually... Or no, we can leave return there. That's fine. Right? Okay. So... Array... 5 is equal to... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I feel like what I'm gonna do is... I want to target 3, so 1 and 2. So indices 0 and 1 should be returned because my target's going to be 3 for this. Okay. Excuse me? Oh, semicolon. Okay. Indices equal to sum array and target. Now, do I need... No, I don't need that. I don't need that ampersand. Okay. Let's run our code. Hey, okay, that works, but what is this? Control reaches the end of non-void function. Actually... Null pointer. I'm assuming that's the same about null. Okay. Is null PTR null pointer, which is the same as null, is that right? Or is this something else? Because I've seen it around on some videos, but I never understood if this was just null and just called that, or if it meant something more than just null. Oh, wait a minute. What if I do that? No, that doesn't work. Oh well, I mean, this is solved, so what I could do is make a target 5, and I should get 1 and 2 inside the indices. 0 and 0. Okay, so this is not solved, so we actually have a problem here. So if array at I plus array at I plus 1 is equal to target, then... That doesn't make any sense, so what's the issue with that, then? To 5. But if I use 3, then it works, you know, completely fine. What if I do 7 instead? Yeah, no, I get 0, 0. Okay, so it looks like anything up to 3, we start to get a problem, so... I need to figure out why that is. Maybe I can... Size of array is wrong. Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so find out how many elements in an array has. You have to divide the size of the array by the size of the first element in the array. Oh, okay. I am? Okay. No, it's still an issue. Size of my numbers, but okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Int size is equal to that. Oh. Size of array divided by the size of array at 0. I don't understand. That's legit what I'm doing. So at this point, it has to be a problem with the actual algorithm. But can tell you that you will need 2 loops. Okay. So what I'll do is Control KC that. Oh, well, yeah, yeah, the AI is perfect there, but I don't get it. Shouldn't I and I plus 1 be sufficient? Uh, oh, I see what it is now. J is gonna be whatever I is plus 1 already. So in that case, no, we still get the same problem. So that didn't work. Mm. Sorry for scratching my nose, guys. Well, what if I do 7 and target 3 and 4? No, I still get 0 and 0. Oh yeah, the size is incorrect. I don't... Ah, okay. Uh, array. Nope, still same problem. That didn't work. I don't even know why I did that. Size minus... Oh, that's right. Shoot. I forgot that, Oh my gosh. I completely forgot that, what do you call it? The actual, like, length of a list is always one, added to the final index position, or whatever you want to say it as. Okay, so that's still wrong. Hmm. Nope. Because it calculates size minus 1. It's in here, real life example. Try printing the size now and initialize the return array to this. Oh, whoops. Yeah, I get 5. Oh, you know what? Okay, that's kind of funny because it looks like that's not even assigning these values then. Because by default, if I don't define anything here, then it assumes that it's just going to be 0, 0, right? Because if I remove this, then by default indices will have 0 and 0 in it. Because now, since it's still saying -1, -1, that tells me that this if statement is not evaluating to true at any point. So it's a problem with how I actually designed, whatever you want to call this. Okay, so basically this is false every time, and it's returning indices, which is by default 0, 0, or, well, this here now. Okay, so I think I figured it out, but I need to fix that nonetheless. Maybe return indices after the nested loop. Oh shoot, I didn't even notice that. Yeah, I realized that. I didn't even notice that. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait a minute. No, that's not right. That's not right. No, it's not. That's not right. Put it inside the inner loop, too. Oh, whoops. There we go. 1 and 4. Oh, never mind. Yeah, 2 and 5. Okay, sweet. So we got it. That's perfect. But why didn't it just select 3? Yeah. But I thought it would have selected index position 2 and index position 3 before it would do 1 and 4. I mean, okay, well, I solved it, I guess. I mean, just to be sure. Let's try that. Okay. Let's do 4, because it should do 0 and 2. Yep. Okay, perfect. Now what I will do is this is for number 1. How is it? Any suggestions? Alright, let's see what ChatGPT thinks about this. Your implementation is logically correct, but there's a few improvements and potential issues to address. Using static array for return values, the function returns a pointer to the static array, which is not ideal since static variables persist across function calls, leading to unexpected behavior. Sum is called multiple times. A better approach is to dynamically allocate memory, which the caller should delete or return a vector. Okay, so this sounds like just more this sounds like more of complicated ways of going about this. But I guess if I really cared about memory management at the moment, instead of just logic for now, then I would try and actually go this route. But I mean, hey, we solved it anyway. Time to reverse the string. That should be easy. So that's solved. Reverse string. Okay, so include IO stream. Now, I'm gonna do this with just an array of characters. Oops. So therefore, char string is equal to hello world. And then I'm going to iterate backwards again. Don't name it string, please. Okay, here, str. For int I is equal to zero, I minus minus. Wait, I need to do this in its own function, or yeah. All right. Reverse string. S, because why not? Wait, I forgot I don't need that. And then this for loop in here. All right. And then I will go ahead and reversed string. That won't work, the size of reversed S. What do you mean by size of reversed S? Shouldn't I be able to just iterate backwards again like I did the reversed linked list? I mean, I guess I could do that. But wouldn't it make sense to have it the same size of S? So that way it's always going to be the same size of the string that you input, no matter how big it is. It's not. Okay. I need a function parameter for it. Got it. So wait, should I... In that case, should I take this out? And then I'll input the size later. Wait a minute, I forgot. How big is a string? How big is a char? Data types. Char 1 byte. 2 bytes. Alright. Well, in that case, then I shouldn't have to do any division because each character is going to be... Does that include spaces, though? Okay, it does. Alright, that makes sense. I didn't know if to be considered a character or like null, because I would think... Because I would have thought space was like the absence of a character, but that makes sense. So then I should be able to just do size of string. So reverse string str size of str, like that. And then I need to reversed s I minus size is it I minus size? Because if I had, so if the size of my array is 20 characters, then I is going to be equal to 19. So 19 minus, or 20 minus 19, that's going to be 1. So then I need to subtract a 1 again. So start from the start. You know what? I could increment. So okay, now what do I need to do? Okay, reversed s minus 1 minus I is equal to si. And then I can return reverse s. And then what I can do is std cout. Let's see if this works. I'm almost certain it's not. Whoops. But I never know. And that did not work. I got an empty output. Why is that? Oh, that's right. I keep forgetting I do need a for loop. Crap. Okay. Um, reversed S. Hold on. What is this? Expected aggregate object. Okay, that fixed it. For int I is equal to 0, I is equal to size of string, or yeah, size of str, I plus plus, and then yeah, just do that. Okay, I did it. Sweet. All right. The world. Yep. Okay. Hello world. Yep, I did it. Perfect. So that is solved. All right. For number 2. Oh, wait a minute. How's that one off? Yeah, no, this isn't one off. All right, well, we'll do something else. Ramat C Imen Yim. Okay. Oh gosh, it sounded horrible, but yeah, it works. I mean, we can always try the race car method, and yeah. All right. I'm surprised this works. I was about to suggest while loop, but GG. I guess I could do while loops. Actually, wait a minute. I already done while loop in this one that I made yesterday on my own time. I used 2 while loops. Okay. So, let's see what number 3 is. Palindrome number. Given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome, reads the same forward and backwards. Okay, that's easy. I just reverse a linked list. Again, that's all I have to do. So, whoops. Let's see. Numbers palindrome CPP. Okay, so. Oh, wait a minute. No, this is different. Shoot, I should do this differently then. So, never mind. Include IL stream int main, return 0. Okay. Reverse numbers. Or, well, hold on. Is palindrome. I think that's how I spell it. And int nums. Excuse me for wiping my nose again. Is anybody else in the chat by any chance? It's just Zen speaking. I noticed that. It says I have 4 concurrent viewers. Are you a software engineer? No, I am not. I am a computer science student at the moment, but I would like to be a software engineer or a web developer. Okay. So, reversed nums. Wait, what the heck am I doing? Do you think we're screwed? It's so hard to get a first job. Well, oh my gosh, 8 concurrent viewers. Good lord, that they all just came out of nowhere. You guys are spawning in. What the heck? Do you think we are screwed? It's so hard to get a first job. Look, I mean, it feels like that, especially if you're like me, who's living in an area where opportunity with, like, if you're like me, someone who's living in an area where opportunity for, like, CS, you know, students is a little bit lower than somewhere like, look, I live in the United States, so the closest big dream city to me is Chicago, because, you know, I'm a Midwest dude. And, I mean, I live 6 hours from there, so I'm pretty far from much opportunity, but I do feel like, you know, with the rise of remote jobs, there's a chance. The hardest part is getting your first internship. And I'm going to be honest, I feel like the moment you get that internship and you finally have some experience under your belt, like actual workplace experience, not, you know, experience that you gained in college, actual workspace experience. Once you get that, I think, you know, you're somewhat good to go. Part of the reason why I'm even doing this stream right now is because I'm trying to teach myself C++. Because C++ is a highly demanded skill. It's a highly demanded language to know. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think we're all... Yeah, languages like C++, Java, those languages are highly demanded. And it's weird to think that because you would think Python's highly demanded because it's the most popular language. But at the same time, Python, just for some reason, I haven't seen any job listings where Python is, you know, preferred or anything. I've seen only a few of them in the past year or so. I've seen mostly jobs that want you to know C++, C#, ASP, React, JS, Angular, PHP, all that stuff, which I know PHP pretty decently now. I mean, there's still some areas of improvement, but I mean, it's all good, really. I feel like it'll get better soon. I mean, they say that between this year and 2032, demand in like CS related jobs is supposed to rise by 25%, so we can only hope and pray to God for the best, dude. Just hang in there. Me and you were in the same boat, I feel like. I totally get why, you know, you're a little bit worried about it. You need 2 more years, Para. Don't worry for CPP. Yeah, yeah. I figured so. Hopefully, with enough Red Bull and crystals, I'd be able to learn it within a couple months. Oh gosh, I probably shouldn't have said it on my stream, but hey, I'm talking about ice crystals, guys. The stuff they put in your sweet tea from McDonald's. Yeah, eat enough of those, and you'll excel at this pretty quickly. Yeah, that's definitely what I meant. YouTube, don't demonetize, please. All right. What was I doing again? Shoot. Yeah, I'm doing numbers palindrome. Okay. Uh. What, doing ice crystals? I'm doing them right now. Gosh, I'm horrible. Use modulo. Oh, this thing? No array needed. Wait, what the heck am I doing, bro? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. I just realized. Why am I doing an array of numbers? It's one singular integer. Bro, it is legit one singular integer. Why am I thinking of an array? Okay, so I mean, I've never used modulo to do this. I always split it into a list and then I reversed it and I compared the lists and see if they were the same, then I would return true. I always did that for some reason. I never used modulo for that. Solve number. How to solve palindrome number. Oh, whoops. Oh, something itchy. Alright, whatever. Three. Yeah, you just get one. You get the last number, right? Now think of how you can use this, maybe a for loop for every digit. Okay. Can I treat a longer a longer number as like, hold on, can I do this? Oh. Would that not work or wait a minute, int nums. This might be a hard. This might be the hard one. Let's see the difficulty of it first. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT for a hint. Can I have a hint for number 3? It's like, look, in Python, you can just convert it to a list and just do it that way. Ah, convert it to a string. Okay. Wait a minute. Is there a okay, don't. Okay, man. Don't kill me, bro. Don't kill me. Alright, you know what? Screw this. We'll come back to this later. Alright. Merge two sorted arrays. Okay. So, merge two sorted arrays.cpp. I'm just going to say it right now. I'm doing this with vectors. Include IO stream. Include vector. Int main. How long have I been streaming for? An hour and 8 minutes? Okay. Return 0. Let's see. Sort two arrays. Merge sorted vectors. And then, almost screwed up there, guys. Woohoo! I have an idea how I'm gonna do this. Whoops. I'm gonna do a nested. I'm gonna do a double for loop. Yeah, and tab 9 seems to already know what I'm gonna do. So if b1i, what the h is swap. All right, well, we're not gonna do swap yet. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Merged vector dot push back b1 I. Whoops. Merged vector push back v2 at j. And then after that, return merged vector. One, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 8. Okay. Excuse me, sir. That's not right. Okay, what do I do? For each loop, you are pushing numbers. Hold on, let me remove that real quick. Something tells me there's a problem here. Nice. Love to see the CPP grind. Thank you. Trying to get better at it, slowly but surely. Yeah, that's a problem. Okay, so here's a tip. I have a feeling you're getting painfully worried about me now, Vincent. I have a feeling you're getting painfully worried about me at this point. Shoot. I'm gonna sip more on my sweet tea here. Make a vector and push elements into it from both arrays and sort it. That's a good idea. Vector.pushback. Merge to vector.pushback. Okay. You know what? I'm actually gonna just run the code like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, wait a minute. That works. That works anyway. I mean, okay. I know why it's working. It's because the other arrays I'm putting in here are already sorted. Because once I add like once I add something like that. Or wait, never mind. Yeah, well, I get an error there probably because they're not the same size. But you get my point, so I need to actually sort that. Alright, let's see. Vectors. Oh, that's what swap does. Okay. I mean, it makes sense. Not that I probably wouldn't have figured that on my own, but I was curious about that. How to sort a vector in C++. Sort v.begin, v.end. What the heck is comp? Maybe I need that. STD sort. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, that's gonna do it in descending order. Include algorithm. What is the issue here? No instance of overloaded function std sort matches the argument list. Quick fix. Okay. That's not gonna help me. Oh, it's not even gonna give me the error anymore, so I'm gonna have to reopen this and see if that'll load back up. Oh shoot. Okay. Is that not a vector on its own? Okay, it's a void. Oh, okay. So, merged vector. Does that do anything? No, it does not. I'm gonna take this as a no. Call the sort function, then provide the vector. Is that not what I did? Alright, you know what? Screw this one. Find maximum number in array. Well, that's easy. STD sort your vec. Oh, okay. So it's kind of like sort in Python then, okay. Let's go, we solved it. This one killed me, I'm not even gonna lie. That's why I said we solved it. If I didn't think I had any help, I would have said I solved it. Don't worry, I'm not taking credit. Find maximum number in an array. Well, that should be easy because we could do, I know there's max somewhere in here. There is not max. Oh. Good work, brother. Keep it up. Hey, I wouldn't have done it without the help of Zen Sense over here. He's like a C++ warrior right now. Okay, this one's kind of tiring me out. So, okay, I think I know what to do. Find max element dot cpp. Okay, include IO stream, include vector. Oh wait, actually no, we have to do it in an array this time. I'll use algorithm just in case I might be able to use that. Well, we're not doing anything with primes yet. And I'm not sure what square root has to do with prime numbers. That's not how we find primes, is it? Yeah, that's not how we find primes. Or at least that's not how I found primes in one of, well, not really my algorithm, but in a algorithm I used in Python. So, does std sort, hold on. Whoops. Oh, gotcha. I think how I found prime. Oh, wait a minute, no. Did I find primes like that? I actually don't even remember how I found primes. I learned it in my discrete math class at one point where we used Python to find primes, but I don't remember it. Did that even work? Does that? I thought you had to do it with a vector, not an array. Oh, okay. Oh, I see it now. Let's go. We're goated up in here, y'all. All right. All right, we're baller. And then, okay, so gonna copy and I'm gonna get rid of that. Int max R. Do that. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. Pass in size. And then we're going to return size -1. And then gaming. Let's go. I did that myself. I'm so proud. Okay, well, we got that. This doesn't work. What do you mean? I don't get it. It's working just fine. Or wait, hold on. Yeah, what do you mean it doesn't work? Because I didn't solve the problem, I found a workaround. I mean, hey, look, uh, the point is like, you know, finding an easy and quick solution, right? This is bad because, okay. Oh, big, okay, yeah, it's not as efficient. I see what you mean. I mean, I don't even know how, I don't even think I've gotten to linear search yet because like the thing is, so I'm in a data structures and analysis algorithms class right now, and we haven't gotten to like big O notation yet. Nor have we got to like the various like different algorithms we can use, like binary search. Um, what else is there? All kinds of other stuff. Linear search is simple. Just iterate over the array. Oh shoot. Probably shouldn't have done that. Probably shouldn't have looked down there. But hold on, this is like taking a key into mind though. Yeah. I have to have a target element, but the point of this is to be able to find the max, right? So like I wouldn't have a target. I'd have to find 8. That is linear search. Okay. Oh, okay. I mean, yeah, I've used that before. I didn't realize it actually had a name. I thought it was just like simply iterating and then checking like every value and comparing it. Hold on, like this? So not like this at all. Now make a max variable inside the function. Okay, max num. Equals 0. Okay. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, I see what you mean now. Because what's going to happen is it's going to keep changing to the bigger number. Okay, I see what you mean. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm locking in now. Okay, I'm locking in. Go easy on me, man. I'm in an algorithms analysis class. Okay, what is this? Oh, that's right. I forgot to return it. Goofy me. Woohoo. Return max num. GG's. Reading this chat and you seem like so disappointed. Oh man. Hey, we're learning, guys. We're learning. I mean, like I said, I haven't really got to like all the algorithms we can use yet. Right now in my data structures class, we're just learning about like objects and stuff, which I already know about objects. I already know how objects work, so it's all the easy stuff, but we haven't gotten to like heaps, you know, stacks, queues, um binary search, uh all kinds of stuff like that. We haven't gotten to any of that yet. We're still like on the base because everyone they have to teach the basics of Python to everyone first. So of course to me that's going to be easier, but once I get into the algorithms part and like the actual analysis with big O notation, I'm probably going to struggle a little bit. So actually this might help me quite a bit to kind of be prepared for it. I can make you familiar with binary search right here. Sure. Give me the rundown, I guess. Probably gonna end the stream here shortly though, because it's already been an hour and a half. And I'm getting tired. Hopefully this stream will get like 800 views like it did the other one. Like, okay, binary search. Okay. To O of log in. Isn't O of log in like bad though? It's the best. Uh, oh yeah, I guess you're right. I thought O of n would be the best though because uh it's linear. It's the best worst case. Gotcha. Okay, that makes sense. Alright, so let's do 3 or something. O of login. Oh, gotcha. 4. Okay, so 23 is greater than the current mid element, which is 4, or 16. So the search space moves to the right. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Okay. Notice how low is 5. Yeah, or low, yeah. Wait. Yeah, I see now. Yeah, because 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Wait, why? Hey guys, why is 6 scared of 7? Because 7, 8, 9, right? Woohoo. Okay. Low is equal to mid plus 1, isn't it? Equal to mid plus. Oh, yeah. I mean, I kind of understand what it's like, but I mean, I'm really too tired to actually put it into play here. I'm gonna be learning more about it in my class anyway, in the coming weeks, because binary search is a big topic in my analysis algorithms class. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream off here. I'm getting pretty tired and I got stuff to do, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching me suffer through pain. Let's see, we did, so not that one. We did this one, didn't do this one, so we got 2 of them so far. And then this one, and then this one, and this one. So we did like 5 different, so yeah, we did 5 different things pretty much, and yeah, we got 5 different problems solved with a little help, of course, from my good old pal Zenzense over here. But yeah, I think we did pretty good this stream. I learned a little bit more with iterations and looping logic, so yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this stream and would like to see more just like it, be sure to let me know. I did take a vote from you guys on what time I should stream, which you guys overwhelmingly, well, not really, but you guys preferred that I should start streaming at 4 p.m. CST, which I think is GMT 2. So basically around 2 o'clock in the morning, Greenwich Mean Time is when I am going to start streaming for you guys. You guys are basically telling me that's when you will be more active, so that's why I'm streaming at that time now, so way earlier than what I'm doing now. But, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment letting me know if you want to see more C++ torture. And also don't forget to join my Discord server. We're almost to 1,000 members. And also be sure to create yourself a free account on my official website at houseofcode.xyz. On there so far you can upload and share your code files and even run them straight from the cloud if you want to leave your scripts on there for use. But other than that, you all have a wonderful night. Bye-bye, guys.